half donkey and half mule.
Buddy.
Hear me?
Uh-huh.
Half donkey and
Buddy
half
Boo.
mule.
Hey, Buddy Boo. Buddy.
That is the real name.
Buddy, 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 buddy Boo.
Go ahead and take the nail up there with you.
Buddy. And stop. Yeah? What? I don't know how to drive that.
Oh, I thought you did.
No? Nobody will show me.
Well, it's simple. This is the gas. And you put it right there. It's got a notch. You come right below that notch.
I don't know how to start it, though.
Well, I'll show you how to start it. Get on there. Simple.
I'm scared.
Why? It's easier driving on a go-kart.
Hey.
All you gotta do is turn the wheels. That's the brake and the clutch. Yes.
Which way is the brake?
Let me turn it around for you, okay?
Yeah.
There's the mail. You can take it in the house. Grab my key for me.
I'd drive it if you'd unhook the thing.
No, you can drive it with it every day.
Brownie, move. Grandpa, watch out.
Now, do you want to get off of it without cutting it off? You can't push it down. Go this up. Let off that while that turns up. You can get off of it and run it.
I'm scared.
All you gotta do is push on that brake and let it up.